Okay, it's time for another fucking tuna melt. And basically, you just want to eyeball the amount of mayonnaise. Just, you don't want it overpowering, but enough to have a good little bit of coating. Just basically taste and adjust as you need to. I started out with probably a third of a cup. And also make sure you're dicking around with the camera while you're shooting an episode, because Lord knows we need to be professional. Then I took a stalk of celery and diced it up. And if you think the dices are too big, go fuck yourself. My man mouth can handle it. And of course, salt and pepper. A little bit of salt, little bit of pepper. And gonna add some relish. I think about 2 tablespoons are in that. Somewhere in there. Again, you can adjust this as you like. Again, I really like pickles. So, if you enjoy pickles, add more. If you don't like them, a little bit less. Or you can probably take them out entirely. About a teaspoon of dill. And then I added a couple of teaspoons of that Montreal steak seasoning I get at the local grocery store. I'm really sorry, guys. I don't think you can even order it online. I'll have to check. And I may or may not have added just a little bit of chipotle powder. By the way, if you can't find chipotle powder in your area, just use cayenne. It's almost the exact same thing. So just mix it around till your desired consistency, adding, a little bit here, a little bit there, till you get a mix that you're happy with. Okay, so we got 3 slices of bread. Butter side is on the griddle. And I want a little bit of heat in here, so first slice of cheese is a bit of pepper jack. And you want to spoon a generous amount of tuna melt, but you don't want it too thick because obviously you want the heat to go through the sandwich. And the next cheese, this is optional. I just decided to go with some white American. That's just me. And then put the other piece of buttered bread on top. Give it a couple of minutes and we should be ready for a flip. By the time you get done with this, yep, they should be ready for a flip. All right, next step. Okay, and pretty much that's it. It's done. Just cut it in half and do the pull away and get a shot for the thumbnail. And that's it. Really easy recipe. A great recipe if you're new to cooking to kind of build your confidence. So, that's another fucking tuna melt. Done.